Let's explore this beautiful park and learn easy English together. Welcome to Lodhi Garden. Look around. The park is very clean and beautiful. The weather is nice. The air is fresh. And I feel happy and relaxed here. Look at those beautiful flowers. They are colorful and fresh. There are many different flowers in this garden. Flowers are make this place more beautiful. Now look at these big green trees. There are so many trees here. Trees give us fresh air. They also give us cool shade. Nature is amazing. This is the walking track. Many people come here every morning and evening. Some people are walking, some people are running, some are exercising. Walking every day is good for our health. Now let's see the duck pond. Look, these are ducks. They are swimming in the water. Some ducks are taking a bath. Some ducks are looking for food. They look so cute. Can you hear the birds? There are parrots, pigeons, crows, and many other birds. Their sounds are so beautiful. It's feel peaceful. Oh, look, there is a squirrel. It is running very fast. It is small, active, and very cute. Many people come here with their pet's dog. The dogs are playing happily. People are enjoying their time with their pets. Now look at this beautiful water fountain. It's make the parks looks even more beautiful. I really like this place. Look at those old buildings. Those are beautiful historical monuments. They are very old. They remind us of history. Lodhi Garden is not only a park, it is also a historical place. Many people are sitting on the green grass. Some are talking with friends. Every corner looks scenic and peaceful, making it a perfect place for photography, relaxing and creating wonderful memories. If you love taking pictures, you will definitely enjoy exploring this garden. Now let's learn and try to use those words in your daily life. Practice every day. I hope you enjoy this beautiful place and I hope you learn some easy English today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye. Have a wonderful day.